Welcome to Driven Plus. Now today I'm getting my car prepped, ready for our European road trip next week. Now in case you didn't know, we do offer UK and European tours. We'll put the website link in the description below. Click on and have a look at some of our upcoming events. Now today I'm here, APM Customs, to get the car prepped, such as valeted and put all the stickers on for the M4CS. Oh, and by the way, here is Mr. APM's car and he's coming along next week. Now without further ado, let's go have a look at the car. Look at that. Very, very smart. I really like this one, what you've done there. It kind of curves with the bumper there, doesn't it? Might leave that on. Obviously you've gone for the big Driven Plus sticker on the bottom of the door, and then coming back to the rear arch, and there's our Driven Plus sticker. Obviously sponsored by PB Tyres, Play Revolution and APM. And then have a look at that one there. That's our Road to the Nurburgring sticker, which Josh has just printed out there. And then coming to the back, to be fair, I didn't want to do too much onto the rear. I just wanted nice and simple, because I suppose this is what people are going to see the most. But no, I just wanted the YouTube sticker there. But it's absolutely mega. So one thing you've got to make sure before you go this long distance is check your tyres are, well, they've got enough tread on them. So, well, these are brand new. I had these probably a month ago by PB Tyres. Check them out if you want any tyres, they're in the great. Now in terms of brakes, now this has got the ceramic brakes, so they don't wear down as much. But if you've got steel brakes, just check your pads, check your discs, make sure they're in good working order, and also the fluid level there. And if you're going to take it on track such as the Nurburgring, then just make sure your brake lines are upgraded, or anything else. It depends how many laps you're going to do. But other than that, I mean, we're driving to Reims. Let's go have a look over here. See, we're starting in Reims, so you're going to have your Reims Crit Air sticker. That'll cover you for Paris as well. Have a look if you need any specific stickers for travelling in European cities, because they're all coming in, all these emission air stickers now. Obviously, if you're travelling through Switzerland, which we might next year, you're going to need a Swiss vignette, which is about, I think it's about 20 quid, so it's not that much. So looking inside first, here's our Driven Plus official tour guide. So if you book on, you will get something that looks like this. So you've got all your routes and everything, such as, I'm not going to give any teasers away, but for example, look, where are we going? Let's have a look. So we're starting in Reims, going to go do the Reims Go, so that's the old Reims F1 circuit. Where else? We're going through the Black Forest, so we're going to be doing that roads there, probably something you've seen online before. You see, we do take things a little bit further. QR codes, links up to the Google Maps. It's easier than just putting postcodes in. And then we're stopping in Baden-Baden, and then going from Baden-Baden, we're then going to go straight to the Nurburgring for 2 nights from there. And then, well, at the Nurburgring, there's plenty of things to do and see, such as the Nurburgring Ringworks, so you've got the museum, you've got YouTube Corner, in which you'll probably see that's where most of the videos are filmed on the Nurburgring. Probably going to check out Apex, where Misha hangs about, see if he's doing anything around there. Definitely going to check out Devil's Diner, which is a great place for seeing all the cars going on track and off track. Now, there's a ring taxi. If you want to book a ring taxi, personally, I'd book in advance. But I suppose sometimes you can just rock up and book on the day, which I've done in the past, and rent a car. You can rent a Suzuki Swift Sport for about €159. So it's not all pretty cool. And that's that. I'm not going to go into too much detail. So inside, it's that clean car smell. You can't beat it, can you? Now, one thing I did ask APM Customs to do is kind of bring this steering wheel back to life, because Alcantara, with all your sweat from your hands and all your oil, it does get clogged up, and they've brought it back to life. So thanks guys for that, even down here. But no, all the lines in the carpet, it's definitely ready for a European road trip. So one thing which I'm going to change on the iDrive system is on the analog dials, it doesn't have the kilometres, so whereas your normal cars has the miles per hour, and then underneath you'll have the kilometres per hour. So I'm going to change that on here, so it tells me on the digital miles per hour gauge, so make sure you know what speed you're doing. Obviously make sure your car has a live and current MOT certificate, and they do say a breathalyzer, where as for me I think that's a bit of a myth, because this came live when I think President Sarkozy was in power, and guess what? His best mate owned a breathalyzer company. Sounds a bit fishy, doesn't it? So for me, I don't bother with the breathalyzer. Oh, and high vis. Make sure you've got some high vises, which I have here. So there's my high vis. And always for me, I always carry a spare bottle of oil, because you never know if it might just go down on the gauge and just top it up. So that's a really important thing that I always take, especially with it being a BMW. Sometimes they love to drink it. Now, if you're watching this video and are looking to join on one of our UK or European tours, then you're in luck, as we have partnered up with one of our sponsors, APM Customs, to bring you a preparation package for all your protection, stickering and detailing needs. A base package includes sticker application plus a safe wash and valet starting from £40. Optional extras such as paint protection film, machine polishing and ceramic coating are also available at an additional cost. I'd like to thank you for watching today, and bring on the Nurburgring. See you soon for our next video.